Hey guys, what's up? It's John here from leadgenpreneur.com, and in this video, I have a new Google Ads case study for you for a septic pumping company. So if you happen to have a septic company that does pumping services, watch this video. What we're going to show you is basically a clonable campaign that we can import to any Google Ads account in the US. That means you get all the high converting keywords, the high converting landing pages, the high converting ads, and you're about to see all that information basically. So take a look at this case study. It's been the last 30 days. We just onboarded this client and they're doing great in a very competitive state in the US. So if you need Google Ads services done for your septic pumping company, make sure to apply to work with us through the link in the description below. Or if you're more of a do-it-yourselfer, we have a Google Ads training course that'll teach you how to run Google Ads just like we do for our agency clients. And it's the next best thing if we're not there to run your Google Ads for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. All right, we're here at the campaign level of the client's account, the septic pumping lead generation campaign. As you can see, we have a campaign with $200 budget per day. You can have more, you can have less, it'll still work. Let's take a look at the overall KPIs. Let's scroll here to the right. And you can see some percentages up over here of where the ad is showing up. So 83% of the time we're at the top, 61% of the time we are the number one position ad, right? So there's a lot of room for growth here, especially as we progress and keep making tweaks to this campaign. Like I said, this campaign has only been running for about 30 days so far. So this is what we're looking at here. We have 441 clicks at roughly $14.47 on average cost per click. Click-through rate of almost 6%. I feel like that could improve. So far, they've spent $6,380 for 88 leads. And these leads, or AKA conversions, account for phone calls and form submissions, okay? And to get those leads, actually, it cost us exactly $72.50 per lead acquisition, with a conversion rate of basically 20%, as you can see right here. Now let's go one level deeper into the ad group level view, or what's considered categories of keywords. Let's dive into it. Okay, so we have the following ad groups enabled as of right now. We have septic pumping, septic cleaning, septic emptying, and lift station ad group. If you're in the septic pumping company or services, you know what I'm talking about here. But as you can see, let's sort by conversions here, because that's what matters, right? You want leads for your business. And septic pumping is the one that's producing the most amount of leads. People typing in septic pumping services, things like that. We'll get into the keywords here in a few moments. But right behind that is septic cleaning. You might not think people are typing in septic cleaning, but people do type that in and convert. And they convert higher at a higher percentage rate, conversion rate, than septic pumping, at least so far in this campaign. You can see we have 24 leads for septic cleaning at $67.28 per lead versus the $75.39 per lead that we have for septic pumping. And septic emptying is $32.70 per lead, almost 50% conversion rate. So we're doing really good stuff here. Unfortunately, lift station has not produced a conversion yet. There's simply not enough search volume for it. And this client in particular is in a very big competitive area of the US. Now, I told you we would go over the conversion, so let me enable that so you can see exactly what I'm talking about when I talk about conversions, specifically this column, which is related to the cost per conversion and the conversion rate. All right, here we are. You can see septic pumping. We had 3 contact us forms, 9 actual forms on the landing page, 8 phone calls from the ad, click to call, and then 26 actual phone calls from the landing page itself for septic pumping. For septic cleaning, we got, let's see, 5 form submissions, and then a total basically of 19, 5 plus 14, 19 total phone calls. So the good news here is that this campaign produces more phone calls than it does lead forms, right? I know business owners that do these type of businesses, any business really prefer getting someone on the phone over form submissions, but it's just the way of the world. Some people don't like calling, so we have to have that form submission on there just in case for those people. Septic emptying, we have 5 phone calls plus 1 from the ad phone call, so 6 phone calls and 2 form submissions. So that's what we got from the ad group level. Let's take a look at the keywords for septic pumping. All right, we're inside the septic pumping ad group, and you can see some of our keywords here. We have phrase match, exact, septic pumping type of keywords. And you can see the keywords that are producing the most conversions over here. We got septic pumping services near me, septic pumping companies, septic tank pump out near me, emergency, septic pumping, really good keywords basically that are targeting that bottom of the funnel type of lead that really needs their septic tank cleaned or pumped out, however you want to say it. All right, so picture every ad group like this, the ones you saw on the previous screen. We basically have keywords with specific ads for these specific people that are typing in these specific themed keywords. So that's why it converts at such a high percentage, and it's only going to get better because it's been 30 days. Now it's time to do 30 days worth of optimization, and then we're going to continue optimizing monthly, weekly, and at a quarterly basis even. And we're even doing split testing on the landing pages. So we're really going heavy into septic tank pumping, helping septic companies grow their business. So we're going to identify which high converting landing page is going to work. And before I end this video, guys, I do want to show you things that we're going to optimize, including the landing pages, right? We're going to optimize devices, location bidding, schedule bidding, audience bidding, and all these things. We're going to make tiny adjustments that will improve this campaign over time, but I'm not going to show you all of it because we'd be here for quite some time. But what we're looking at now is we're going to hone in on the landing pages that we use for this campaign, and I'm going to show you the traffic. Basically, these top 2 rows are the URLs that are being split test. 50% of the Google Ads clicks go to the first row, and then the other 50% go to the second URL. And this is what we do. We're going to analyze the data, and you can see that the first row, and I have it blurred out here, but the first row is the landing page that is the test variant. It's not the original, but it's a test. And the second row is the original landing page. But you can see the test one is producing way more conversions than the original one. And it's producing the leads at a lower cost per conversion, a lower cost per lead of $65.95 versus $85.08, right? And the conversion rate is even higher here, basically 22% conversion rate for the new test variation and 16% for the original. So it doesn't take a rocket scientist to know that the new test URL is doing really well, but I think there's not enough statistical significance here. We'll talk with the PPC team here soon and figure this out. But over time, we're going to basically hone in on which which landing page URL is converting the best statistically, and then we're going to choose that one, and then we're going to try to beat that one, and then we're going to continuously optimize this campaign, and it's going to be the best septic pumping campaign basically out there. So that's only one of the new optimizations we're going to be doing post the 30-day mark. And with that said, that pretty much does it for this video. If you have any questions about this campaign, do ask them in the comment section below. If you want to work with us, you want to get septic pumping leads, you want to get this campaign basically imported into your account, and by the time we import it into your account and do business together and run your PPC service for you, or your PPC for you as our service, then this campaign is only going to get that much better. Okay, so the application to work with us is in the description below. Make sure to check that out. And if you're a business owner who wants to run PPC yourself or have someone on the team learn PPC and how to run these type of campaigns in the manner that we do, including landing page split testing, then make sure to check out our Google Ads course. The link to that is also in the description. And with that said, if you got value from this video, go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you on the next video.